How's it going, folks? Oh, been a bit of a slow, chilled out day today. Didn't film anything yesterday because I knew we were going to do a live stream tonight, so decided to have a day off the camera, which is quite nice. So yeah, just going for a relaxing kind of day today. I just decided that this spatula was too big, so I made myself a new one. Marie wants me to make her a picture frame as well. We'll probably do that in a minute. Yeah, I spent yesterday riding crosses, driving lawnmowers, all of that good stuff. So, kind of nice to have a day without the camera, to be honest. Seeing as someone pointed out the other day that I've done a video every day for like 3 months now, which is mental. Don't know where that time went. Well, apart from when I had to go dark in Scotland, of course. Still seeing shit about that. It's ridiculous. People posting on pages that are designed to help other van people, saying that we're the problem. Good one. Yeah, other than sitting here carving some new tools, don't really know what the plan is for today. I mean, it's 2 o'clock now. Started the day with pigeon for breakfast though, which was bloody delicious. 2 pigeon steaks. Like I said, I don't know how much of that kind of thing I'll put in. Not because I'm ashamed of it or anything, but just because obviously people have different views on that kind of stuff, and totally understand that. Marie's a vegetarian, so it took her a bit to get used to the idea. What I don't agree with though is people who have a problem with it but will happily go to the shop and buy bacon and burgers and that kind of thing. It's always been my firm belief that if you're going to eat meat, you should be comfortable with going and shooting something or whatever yourself and processing it. Because if you can't do that, then you shouldn't eat meat. That's my opinion, anyway. That Marie was okay to go fishing and eat the fish, but it was a bit funny about me shooting a pigeon. And realistically, it's the same thing, you know, different animal, but it's the same concept, isn't it? You're still taking a life to feed yourself, so it doesn't matter what it is. I'm sure plenty of people are going to disagree and kick off in the comments now. That's exactly why I didn't film it and put it on, because it just fuels it. It's getting a bit annoying actually, to be honest, this whole thing that I have to keep policing myself with what I put on, just simply because I then have to sit there for ages deleting a load of idiots. And it's not people having a difference of opinion, like, that's fine, you know, that's free speech at the end of the day. You're allowed to have whatever opinion you want, but I won't tolerate people just trying to stir the pot, push for a reaction. They just get banned. And people who are just genuinely nasty. which there happens to be a lot of on YouTube, unfortunately. I saw a few comments about the axe the other day. People mentioning using a spoke shave. I do know what a spoke shave is. I have one. I have a couple actually, doing that kind of thing. And yeah, you're right, it would have been a good tool to use. But I don't have them with me. So I took a load of kit out of my van before I went to Scotland to save on the weight a bit. And unfortunately, things like that I decided to take out because I didn't anticipate, well, this. But obviously circumstances have changed now, I'm not in Scotland anymore. And at some point I'll probably take a drive to my mum's and pick up a load of tools and stuff, because we're not that far away, we're still in the Midlands, so it's not too bad. It's a bit annoying that we don't really know what's going on. I mean, it's obvious that this is going to be, you know, I don't know why they don't just say what the real flipping time this is going to be is. It's pain. Well, I do know why, because everyone would lose their heads if they turn around and said, oh, it's going to be 6 months. Yeah, it'd be handy if they did say, because at least then we'd be able to plan a bit better. You know, in terms of stored food, we accounted for a couple of months up in Scotland, but I've still got plenty of food, you know, got loads, so that's not an issue. But in terms of what we're actually doing, it'd be nice to sort of be able to make a plan. But luckily we're good here for a while. Sorry, getting a bit carried away. Turn the camera on, don't speak to it. Look at that, turned out well. I'm not sure what wood this is. It's a dark wood. This came in the firewood bundle that Marie's brother bought. Looks like a bloody mahogany or something. I don't know. Don't really know my wood that well. I'd buy that from the shop though. If anything, it looks flipping better than that thing. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I want to make some more stuff now. I could just sit and do this kind of stuff all day. I'm really good. So I just managed to sit talking to the camera for about 15 minutes with it switched off. Not my finest moment. So basically, to summarise what I said, if that thing stops recording now, I'm going to set it on fire. Well, I'm going to look through the comments in this video and see if there's any questions knocking about, like genuine questions, and then make it a thing to sort of go through them a bit on the videos. So I think that'll be a good thing to do, because I never have time to sit and answer through the comments now. That turned out awesome. Yeah, I think that'll be a nice little sort of thing to do every now and again in the videos. You can tell I made it because I managed to get the hole off centre.
So Ash is making me a picture frame for this drawing of Bobbin. Nice, isn't it? Voila!
It looks like a 3-year-old made it.
So look. Oh, I like it. Show the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's sick, actually.
I can't believe how much that helicopter's out.
Hmm.
Mad, isn't it?
Oh, there it is.
So that's what I've ended up with for now. Gone for a sort of tomahawk style top. The problem I've got is this axe head, as you can see, is warped to death. So I've gone for a centre wedge like that. I might end up just putting 2 bloody pins in there, because it's still a bit wobbly, but it'll do for now. So what you need to remember is this is a daily diary, I guess. You know, this isn't these videos aren't like pre-scripted how to, this is what I've done, finished article things. So this chicken coop isn't finished. So everyone jumped on the bandwagon telling me off for the net on the bottom and stuff. The reason that's there is to stop the foxes getting in, but it's not finished. Obviously we're not just going to leave that on the bottom, because that'd just be cruel. So what I'm going to do is board out the bottom. The roof, I need to put a centre beam in here and then cut probably around there somewhere and have this hinged. So I've found one hinge. There is another one attached to that gate there, so I'm going to pull that off as well, and that'll allow us access into there. We were going to do like a side door system, but can't be bothered now. So yeah, we're going to put the boards in. I'm going to go find something in a minute. Got the door just there, as you can see, little ramp. And then what I'm probably going to do as well, because the idea is this is, you see this bit here is sort of open, so they can still come out, get the food, all of that shit. And then this is an enclosed area here. This is obviously like the roosting bit. So that's hopefully where they're going to lay their eggs. So I can lock them in there, but also I'm going to build a bit of a pen on the outside too, so that if we want to let them out, and for whatever reason we can't let them out here, because that is the plan, we're just going to let them roam the field once they get used to it. But if for whatever reason we can't let them out, they'll still be able to go in this area here, and then at night we can shoo them into there, lock that down, and then no foxes can get in. So yeah, I'm going to do that now because we're actually getting them tomorrow. So yeah, see what we can do. Right folks, so this is how far I've managed to get today. I've not filmed because it's been pissing it down, but started on the outside bit. So this has changed now, so we've now got the hatch, which is going to have a lock on it. Got a little area here and goes down into the main bit, which is here. And that has a complete layer of plastic underneath it, so no mesh. So there you go. Should be alright, I think. Finish it off tomorrow, because we're going to try and do a live stream now in the pissing rain. Oh yeah, I found out, so this, completely illegal.
Really?
Yeah, you need a licence.
Who's it from there? What's that?
50 quid a year. I think I'm going to do it.
Because of the power, or
Yeah.
right?
So normal, our red radios are 0.5 watt, and this is 5 watt.
Yep. So what license? VHF.
It's the basic one.
VHF.
Yeah. Just for amateur radio thing, ain't it?
Which is fine. It just means you know all the call signs.
Well, if we're going to, I think we're going to use them for convoying. The range on these will be something better than.
Yes, agreed.
So for the sake of 50 quid a year,
Yeah.
we'll just do it. It says it's 4 to 5 hours of study. You take a test and then you get the license.
Now that live stream to me just showed the support that you've got,
Yeah.
which is good.
Yeah, that was kind of impressive
It's a
considering.
very positive thing, wasn't it?
Yeah, but considering the amount of hate and stuff.
Yeah, I was expecting grief. Right, folks, that's a lot. Obviously, this video got cut short a little bit because we decided to do a live stream tonight. So thank you for everyone that tuned into that. That was a bit of a laugh. All pretty wrecked. Tomorrow should be good. Got the chickens coming. So 3 new additions to camp. Right, I'm gonna hit the sack. I'm bloody knackered. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, folks. Catch you in a bit.